Okay, the next step is to get this really working. So let's go back to up here where they're getting the value from the text. Now we want to get the value from, I'm going to say here CB grade get, is it get text? I don't think it's get value. Okay, that makes sense, get value. And let's see if that's actually working now. Let's click here to see, run restaurant main. Okay, so let's click on A, good. Let's click on C, good. Not yet rated. Okay, only one. And a B, looking good. And now experiment with the all, click on search. Of course it's not going to work. Now what we need to do is make the DAO smart enough to understand if it sees all, then, you know, then it should show all. Okay, so let's go back to our DAO, our restaurant DAO, and this is the value that makes it work right here. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Okay, we're going to say here if grade, I'm going to say equals, ignore case. That way it just ignores the case, just in case we spell it, you know, in a different case for some reason. If that grade contains the word all, okay, I'm still going to create a new document here, which is fine. But what we're going to do here is do an else here, and that means this new document will be empty as of right now. If it's empty, that basically means shows everything. So if for some reason it's all, we're going to say new document, and here we're just going to literally just do, I'm going to put here do nothing. Now if it's not the value all, okay, in fact I'll say here, in fact, you know what, I hate doing this, making it empty, so let's do this. Let's leave it up here. Let's say if grade is not equal, so it means if it's not equal to this, then we're going to get the value from the grade. If it does equal all, it won't do this stuff, meaning that it'll keep the document empty. An empty document is basically saying that we have no criteria, so bring back all anyway. Okay, so that's what's happening here. Just in case you don't believe me, let's put this in debug mode. I'll put the document, put the debug stopper right here, the breakpoint right here. I will run this in debug mode. Okay, there goes all right there. Let's click on search. Don't want it to be in debug perspective. Say yes. I just want to get to the DAO, so I'm going to hit resume. So it gets to the DAO. Now I'm at the DAO. Let's see what grade has. Has the value all. Let's step over. This should fail, meaning that it'll skip over it. It skipped over it. Therefore, the document is empty, which means that I should return everything because there's no criteria here. So it passes that document here. I'm just going to click on resume and hope that we get data. Okay. Yes, we got data. There goes the screen right here. So we got all the data coming back. Let's just make sure we didn't break anything. So let's test just the letters. Let's test the letter Z. Okay, the breakpoint came on. I don't need the breakpoints anymore from this point on, so I'm going to say remove all breakpoints. That way it can just run as normal. I'll click on resume. Let's go back here. There goes my Z's. Not graded. There goes my not graded. Let's do all again. Click on search. There goes my Z's, my A's, and everything else. So this seems to be working fine. Okay. Next goal is to clean this up, get rid of this information, and we should be great. All right, so the code is looking good.